Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make iced Earl Grey tea. First, let's brew a strong concentrate. You'll need 2 Earl Grey tea bags or 2 teaspoons of loose leaf tea. Steep them in about 6 ounces of hot water for 5 minutes. This ensures a robust flavor that won't be diluted by ice. Once steeped, remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaves and let this concentrate cool down completely. This step is crucial for a perfectly chilled drink. Now that your tea concentrate is cool, it's time to add some sweetness and flavor. You can stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar or your preferred sweetener until it completely dissolves. For an extra zing, a small squeeze of fresh lemon juice works wonderfully with Earl Grey's bergamot notes. Give it a good stir and taste it. Feel free to adjust the sweetness to exactly how you like it. With your sweetened concentrate ready, let's assemble your refreshing iced tea. Grab a tall glass and fill it generously with ice cubes. The more ice, the colder your drink will be. Carefully pour your cooled Earl Grey concentrate over the ice. Then, top it off with about 4 to 6 ounces of cold water. Give it a gentle stir to ensure everything is well mixed and perfectly chilled. Your delicious iced Earl Grey tea is now ready to be enjoyed. For a lovely presentation and an extra burst of aroma, you can garnish it with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Serve it immediately to savor its crisp, cool flavor. This homemade treat is perfect for any time of day. Feel free to experiment with different sweeteners or even a splash of milk for a creamy variation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.